Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jeremy and I got the Mavic 3 Cine. I'm gonna unbox this thing, let's do it. This is what it looks like when you first pull it off out of the box. All right, what do we got? Hello. I kind of like this, it coming in the box already in the case. Like I don't have to repack it, that's convenient. Oh, battery charger. USB-C cable for data transfer with that 1 terabyte SSD it has. Some propellers and stuff. I don't know. Here's the Mavic with its nice covering. The new covering they have for the Cine. Has that new drone smell, if you know what I mean. And the remote controller. Wow, this thing is huge. All right, exciting stuff. I don't think you need to see everything. This is more of a test video comparing the Mavic 3 Cine to my older Mavic 2 Pro. Let me talk a little bit about why I actually bought the Mavic 3 Cine as someone who already owns the Mavic 2 Pro. First, ProRes. I'm a big fan of high-end codecs that you can throw in DaVinci and color grade properly without data being lost. Number 2 was the increase in resolution. I have 8K cameras. I like to shoot at those extreme resolutions, so 5.1K on a drone is pretty awesome. So if you're gonna like deliver in 4K and you want to reframe or crop in or whatever, do any like digital moves you want to do, that is plenty of room to still keep that 4K tier as like a baseline. So what's my last reason? Oh right, frame rates. On the Mavic 2 Pro, you're restricted to like 4K 30. I like high frame rates, so we have 5.1K 50 on the Mavic 3, and then I think 4K 120 as well. I'm going back to Iceland in like a month, and I think having those, frame rate options and that extra resolution is just gonna like put that footage in like a tier above the Mavic 2 Pro. That's it. Let's dive into it. Thank you. All right, so drone number 1 was the Mavic 3 Cine, and drone number 2 was the Mavic 2 Pro. On the Mavic 3 Cine, I shot in 5.1K ProRes 422 HQ in D-Log, and on the Mavic 2 Pro, I shot in 4K UHD H.264, also in D-Log. All I did was throw the footage into Premiere, put on the D-Log to Rec 709 conversion LUT from DJI onto each of them. The newer one for the Mavic 3 Cine from their website, and the older one I have on file for the Mavic 2 Pro, also from DJI's website. On top of that, I added contrast, saturation, adjusted the highlights and the shadows, and I try to get them to like baseline match, sorta, kinda ish, but obviously they don't fully match because I didn't do a DaVinci pass, and also the weather was changing throughout the day with the sun popping in and out of the sky between each flying session. So nonetheless, I hope you found this at least vaguely informative if you're in the market for one of these two drones. Moreover, I'm not going to be doing more comparison videos like this on this channel. My heart isn't really in it, and there are far bigger, better, more established YouTube people that are doing this properly and doing it with enthusiasm. So I'm going to stick to just the creative nature stuff I want to do in the coming months and some gear that I want to talk about, but all the comparison stuff, not going to be for me. But I hope you found this video vaguely informative. All right, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Hello. We have made it to the waterfall at wherever this is. Where are we?
Somewhere in upstate New York.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, yeah. All right. It's already super cool, even though we're on the old drone. That piece of shit Mavic 2 Pro.
Yeah.
Got the wild and elusive Derek in his natural habitat, droning. My trusty drone op, the Mavic 2 Pro, currently in the air now. This is probably horribly distracting for him, what I'm doing.
It's not,
No longer in vlog mode now.